Hi everybody, I just want to take a couple minutes here to clarify a problem that I'm running across in some of our new courses. When you're working on the rebuild for a course and are uploading course files, it's really important that you're saving them to the right location. All right. Um, the content collection tab over here at the top of the page is the correct location. You want to come to the content collection, come to the library, and then find the folder for the program for whatever course that you're working on, and that's where you're going to be uploading course files. If any of this looks new to you or you're not exactly sure what to do in this area of the 9-1 system, it's really important that you log into the staging site, you come into the developer training course, and you listen to these video tutorials that are located here in the content collection section of the course. All of these tutorials can be printed. There's videos for every part, and this part of rebuilding our courses is extremely crucial. So if you haven't visited this part of the developer training, or if you don't understand it, it's really important that you contact me so I can walk you through some of this. The problem we're running into is that rather than some developers saving things here in the content collection, library, program folder, I'm finding that developers are actually saving things to the course itself. And what I mean by that is if you are in your course and you come over here to the course management area and you look at this content collection link that's under the control panel, and you click on the link to the course, which is the course you're working on, and you find files here, that means that files are only being saved at the course level, not into the actual library of course content. I can understand why this may have happened, given that the link says content collection and your course is listed right there. But none of the tutorials here direct you to that area. So it's really, really important that you're not using this. That as far as our development efforts are concerned at this point, forget that this link to the content collection even exists here under the control panel. If you're saving things here, we're going to have to do some rework to get things saved in the right location. So if you've done this, that's okay. Just contact me. The sooner the better, so that I can help get things fixed up, and so that I can clarify for you what to be doing moving forward. Another thing that I want to point out that's in reference to things being saved here at the course level has to do with the reusable objects function when it comes to discussions. So if you navigate to the discussion area of your course, and in the tutorial about building discussions, I ask you to save everything as a reusable object. And by doing that, it puts the discussion topic into the content collection, so that down the road, if we have to make adjustments, we can adjust the discussion topic in the content collection, and it will replicate in the course master and any of the sections. When you click on the edit function, if you've already set up your discussion boards, or if you just are creating a new one, maybe I'll do that here just to demonstrate. If you click create new forum, and actually any place in a course where there's a text box, you'll see a link for save as reusable object. And with the forums, I'm asking you to save these as reusable objects, and you'll notice that the default that shows up in this window is courses / whatever your course code is. And this location is what I'm talking about when I say don't save things at the course level. Okay, it's really, really important that you're browsing and selecting institution content, selecting library, selecting your program folder, and then within that program folder that you are selecting the course that you're working on. Okay, and all you need to do is select the radio button next to the course folder and it will save the discussion in the correct place. Now, if you haven't already started loading files into the content collection, if you're just at the beginning of your rebuild process and you haven't even gotten to the content collection, so there isn't a folder there for your course in the program you're working in, that's okay. All you need to do is make sure that you're in the library, in the folder for the program, and then click the create folder button and type in the course code that you're working on. Okay, so in this case, maybe I'm working on BS 100. That's where I want to save all of my discussions. You'll click submit. The file folder will show up in this list here, and you'll just select the radio button and move forward. Then when you do get to the point in the rebuild process where you're uploading your course files, you're in the content collection and you're in the library and the business folder, the folder that you've created in this step will be there, and you just can continue to add to it. Okay, but the main point of this whole tutorial is that you recognize not to be saving anything in the courses, but rather in the library, in the program folder, and then in that course folder. If you've got any questions about this or need me to clarify this further, or you want me to walk you through it in the courses you're working in, I'm more than happy to do that. Just contact me and I will do all I can to help you. Thanks.